What's up, my rap squad? It's your boy Daryl. Welcome back to my channel. Y'all come rap with me. Come rap with me. So today, still celebrating National Sandwich Week. But look, I just found out it is National Sandwich Month. So I get a whole month to try different sandwiches from different places. And that's all right. That's all right. That's all right. So today I'm at Slim Chickens. Oh yeah, I'll show y'all what I got there. So I seen a reviewer on YouTube, a guy named Hungry in Houston. Man, so he went to Slim Chickens out there in Houston. So I'm at the one in Longview, and he did that big Dill chicken sandwich. Okay, let me tell you what it consists of. All right, a brioche bun. It got fried pickles on that bad boy. Nice sized chicken fillet. Got regular pickles on that bad boy, and pickle aioli sauce. Oh yeah. See that bad boy there? All right. Amen. Oh yeah, man, I'm telling you. And for my sides, anytime you go to a place and they offer you macaroni and cheese as an addition instead of fries, man, you always gotta jump on that bad boy. Look at that. I'm telling you. All right, let's go ahead and dive into this big Dill chicken sandwich. All right. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. You can actually taste the crust on those fried pickles. Lord have mercy. Yeah. And then the regular Dill pickles, they kicking in. The filet chicken is seasoned to the T. Man, that's what's up. I'm really feeling this sandwich, you heard me? Yeah, now, I got some of that cayenne ranch. Man, hold it on that sandwich like that. Look at that, my boy Pennywell. Oh, I'm mercy. Man, this cayenne ranch sauce. Let me see if I can take some of this home. I'm telling you, it brings this sandwich out tenfold. Goodness gracious, I tell you the truth. You boy out here in Longview, Texas, and hog hitting you heard me? That's crazy. I'm back now. Let's try this white cheddar mac and cheese. Man, I do white cheddar mac and cheese over yellow cheddar mac and cheese any day. Man, this is the bomb right here. Creamy, cheesy. Man, seasoned just right. Most people macaroni gotta add extra salt to it, but nah, not this here. Man, that's what's up. Y'all know what? I don't know, I've been on a roll lately, man. I've been dropping these dimes on these foods lately, 10 out of 10s, and hey, all I gotta tell you, hey, if it fit, it just fit. If it matches, just matches. So, you know what I'm saying? I'm finna drop a 10 out of 10 on this big Dill chicken sandwich out here at Slim Chickens. Boy. White cheddar macaroni and cheese. I'm gonna give that a 9 out of 10. Only reason why I say that is because it's not enough, man. I need more. Man, but this your boy Daryl. Y'all like this review? Hit that like, share, and subscribe, and I promise I'll see y'all on the next one. I'm out. Peace.